So today we will discuss what is mode. Previously we have discussed what is mean and median. Mean was the average of a data set and median was the middle value in a data. We have also discussed mean and median for grouped and ungrouped data. We have discussed those formulas and we know that how we will calculate the mean and median for grouped and ungrouped data. So today we will discuss what is mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring value in a data. It is that value of the variable which occurs maximum number of times in a distribution and around which other observations are densely distributed. So, mode is the value which has the greatest frequency density in its immediate neighborhood. So, in simple words, you can say that mode is the value which has the greatest frequency or which occurs more number of times than any other variable in a dataset. So, let's just see how mode is calculated, right? Let's just take an example where the data is discrete. So let's just take it. For example, 5, then 3, then 8, 9, 5 and 6. So in this example, this is the first example which we are going to discuss. Let's just delete this. So this is the first example which we are going to discuss. So let's just now see what is mode in this data. So as you can see that 5 occurs twice. So you can see, right? 5 and 5. You know what is frequency, right? We have discussed earlier that frequency is the number of times a particular number is occurring, right? So you can see here that 5 is occurring 2 times. Hence, the mode will be 5, right? So next, let's just take one more example for the same. Let's just see. The example is just write it vertically 10, 12, 11, then 10, 12, 9 and 7, right? So these are the numbers. Here what you can see is the number 10 and the number 12 is occurring 2 times, right? Hence there are 2 modes here. Okay, so both occur twice and other values occur only once. Therefore there are 2 modes, right? Now let's just take one more example. Let's just take one more example. So third example is 50, 50, 60, 35, 40, 56, 48, 45. So as you can see here, all the numbers are occurring only once. So there is no mode. Okay. The concept of mode as a measure of central tendency is preferable to arithmetic mean and median, as it requires no calculation or very simple calculations in case of group data, and only counting is basically required. As you can see here, So mode can be determined even for qualitative or nominal data, right? So this was a basic idea which you have got today about mode. We will discuss mode in more detail for the group data in the next lecture. So there's one more thing which you can see about mode is, okay, let's just take a new page for once. So what I was going to tell you is these mean, median and mode are interrelated. Okay, so mode, let's just write a particular formula which will help you in some of the competitive exams. Mode is equal to 3 median 3 median minus 2 mean, right? 2 mean. So this is the formula which you should keep in mind. Okay, this will help you in some of the competitive exams where mode and mean would be given. You will have to calculate median, and sometime median and mode will have been given. You'll have to calculate mean, or mode. You would have to calculate mode in some of the questions. So this is a very basic and important formula which tells you that mode, median and mean, they are interrelated. Okay, so for today, that's it. I hope the things are clear to you.